So my giveaway has ended and it is now time to select a giveaway winner. So I'm using a YouTube random comment picker to select the giveaway winner, and that way it's just more random. And I've entered the YouTube link and it's going to select it without any duplicates. So I'm just clicking the search option so that it can search through all of the comments, and it's generated 106 comments. Now I'm going to let it randomly select a winner. So the winner is Marvin Witt. So congratulations to Marvin Witt. And I did confirm that he did meet all of the requirements, including sharing the video with the hashtag Alkaline Meal Ideas. So Mr. Marvin Witt, you will have 3 days to respond to this video. You can leave a comment below. If you're comfortable, please leave your contact information. An email is fine. If not, I will respond to your comment with an email that you can reach me at. Either way, I will contact you by email and get your information to send your gift basket. So congratulations.